very pretty. Okay, so we made the food. They were so amazing. They were so good. And my mom's going swimming in the pool. This is Alyssa. I don't know if you can see her. The camera's doing weird stuff. And I got some tea here. And yeah, so we're just vibing. And right now I'm going to do a house tour. So let me show you where we live. Here we have the foyer. / foyer. And then here's the foyer with a mirror and some storage. And then over here, we have my bathroom with the orange wall, the mirror, the stuff, the shower. And then inside here, we have like a very dirty, messy room, which you guys may recognize from some of Alyssa's videos, like the TikTok dancing one, and like other ones and just me in it. And then outside, we have my deck. And then over here, we have my closets. And outside my room, we have the living room. The really big TV, like movie screen. And then the piano. And then the little living room Alyssa with me. Over here, we have the kitchen. The eggnog video. And you might see it in the Alyssa's Trying Foods video. Over here, we have the dining room where my dad works because of like COVID and stuff. And then over here, we have Alyssa's room with her bed. And then here's my parents' room. My mom and dad's bed. And then we have the view. This when I'm swimming. We have a very huge deck. They have a very big deck. Outside, we can go outside to, yeah, that's my mom, she's in the pool. It's pretty warm today, it's spring. And then over here, we have the whole porch area. Liz and I are probably gonna go for a swim later. Yeah, we'll take you with us. Okay, so here's the view. We'll just do like a little panorama. Now I'm gonna go back inside and finish Twilight with Alyssa. And then I'm going to go swimming. So yeah, we'll take you there. I love you. Oh, it smells like pancakes.